Let's introduce you to the CodeBlock DevKit's web app module. In the SaaS template project, you'll find a customizable website template that you can tailor to your needs or replace entirely with your own design. It comes with built-in pricing components and a chatbot widget, and you can easily add more features as needed. It also includes a user panel, allowing users to easily log in and access their dashboard. The user panel supports multiple languages and is designed to work seamlessly with both left-to-right and right-to-left languages, like Persian and Arabic. It's perfectly optimized to work seamlessly across all devices, whether you're on a small mobile phone or a large desktop screen. This ensures that you can manage your application efficiently from anywhere, at any time. The user panel's navigation bar provides quick access to the website, profile page, order management, AI bots, license and subscription management, and an overview of your account. Plus, it's fully customizable by you. Now, let's take a look at the implementation code for the web app. In the template project, you'll find the website folder, which includes the overall layout and pre-built pages like privacy policies and terms of service. As for the user panel folder, you won't see any individual pages there because everything is provided by our pre-built modules, which come via NuGet packages. This means you can customize these modules to fit your needs or add your own new features, making it fully customizable by you. There are even more features available in this module, and we also have many other pre-built modules just like this one. So, get your CodeBlock DevKit license and start building your SaaS today.